ABC 7 at 5 Weekend. I'm Sam Harris-Simowitz. At Rebuild, they teach independent women how to fix things in their home, especially during emergency situations like a burst pipe or boiler, and how to shut off the water main. And all these lessons are for free. ABC 7's Iris Garcia Barron learned a few things and brings us more in today's Sunday Fun Day moment, which is brought to you by Sarah Farms.
At a nonprofit organization called Rebuilding Together, they have a program called She Builds. Women here are learning new skills for home maintenance.
We empower women. We give them self-confidence because having done something once, you can do it twice. And we give them the competence to do things.
At the Rebuilding Together warehouse, you will find water faucets, drywall, vents, outlets, glue, swamp cooler, tile, and more.
These workshops available for women of El Paso, typically about 16 years or older, where they can come and attend these workshops and they learn a little bit of plumbing, emergency shutoffs, water, gas, or electricity.
For this module,
I'm hoping to learn how to use tools, and how to do things around the house.
And we did. Tile installation.
And make sure that we degrease it. Some of the cement. I did it as straight as I possibly can. Thank goodness for these spacers as well.
She even allowed me to try it. And be aware, some that participate might experience a boost of confidence.
It's a big confidence boost. Personally for myself, I see it in so many others as well.
Send us your feel-good story for a chance to be featured in next week's Sunday Fun Day segment. Reporting from Central El Paso, Iris Garcia Barron, ABC 7.